Dear students, those who are aspirants of IIT JEE, for them I made a little attempt by giving solutions of previous year questions with solutions. For 2020, the topic is functions. So, you know the definition of a function and the definition of injection, definition of bijection, definition of composite functions, and the theorems and the number of functions from a set to another set, number of injections, number of bijections, number of surjections. So all the basic things you have to know to solve the questions. In 2020, in January some questions were asked, in September some questions were asked. Let us see. The first question is, if g of x equal to x square plus x minus 1 and g circle f x equal to 4x square minus 10x plus 5, then f of 5 by 4 is equal to 2. Options 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3. This is was asked in 7th January 2020. All of us know g circle fx is g of f of x. So g of f of x is 4x square minus 10x plus 5, but g of x is taken given as x square plus x minus 1. Let us see the solution. Given that g of x is x square plus x minus 1 and g circle fx is 4x square minus 10x plus 5, but g of x is x square plus x minus 1, just replace x by f of x. G of f of x is f of x whole square plus f of x minus 1. But we want f of 5 by 4. So you replace x by 5 by 4. G of f of 5 by 4 is f of 5 by 4 whole square plus f of 5 by 4 minus 1. So we assume here f of 5 by 4 as some a. So g of f of 5 by 4 is a square plus a minus 1. So whenever g circle fx is 4x square minus 10x plus 5 by the data, g circle f of 5 by 4 is 4 of 5 by 4 whole square minus 10 of 5 by 4 plus 5. So you simplify this. 4 of 5 by 16, 4 of 25 by 16, that is 25 by 4 minus 50 by 4 plus 5. Let us simplify. 25 by 4 minus 50 by 4 plus 5 is 25 minus 50 plus 20 by 4. So which is minus 5 by 4. But g circle f of 5 by 4 is a square plus a minus 1, where a is f of 5 by 4. But we got g circle f of 5 by 4 as minus 5 by 4. So minus 5 by 4 is equal to a square plus a minus 1, or a square plus a minus 1 is minus 5 by 4. So by cross multiplication, 4a square plus 4a minus 4 equal to minus 5. It gives 4a square plus 4a plus 1 equal 0. Write it as a perfect square. 2a plus 1 whole square equals 0. 2a plus 1 is 0. A is equal to minus 1 by 2, but a is f of 5 by 4. So f of 5 by 4 is minus 1 by 2. Therefore our option is B. So in this problem you observe that a simple calculation there. When you do the calculation as speed as possible, then you can complete the answer within 1 minute. I think you can try by looking at the time, in how much time can you complete this question. Question number 2, let f of x equal to 8 power 2x minus 8 power minus 2x by 8 power 2x plus 8 power minus 2x. 8 power 2x, 8 power minus 2x are all, or they are exponential function or power function. We say exponential function means we may thought that is e power x. You can take it as a power function. 8 power 2x, 8 power minus 2x. So we want to find the inverse of fx. So the 4 options given. The basic idea is here 8 power minus 2x can be written as 1 by 8 power 2x. So you take 8 power 2x as a. So a minus 1 by a plus 1 by a, and by simplifying we can get the inverse. So given that f of x is equal to 8 power 2x minus 8 power minus 2x by 8 power 2x plus 8 power minus 2x, let 8 power 2x is a, 8 power minus 2x obviously 1 by 8 power 2x 1 by a. So our f of x become a minus 1 by a plus 1 by a. So a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 by a get cancelled. F of x equal to a square minus 1 by a square plus 1. To find inverse naturally we follow like this. F of x we assume y, then x become f inverse y. So whenever f of x equal to y become a square minus 1 by a square plus 1. Simple calculation, y of a square plus 1 equal to a square minus 1. Y a square plus y equal to a square minus 1. Y plus 1 equal to y plus 1 equal to a square minus y a square. A square of 1 minus y is y plus 1 or 1 plus y. So a square is 1 plus 1 by 1 minus y. So we got a square. But a means 8 power 2x. So 8 power 2x whole square is 1 plus y by 1 minus y. So 8 power 2x whole square equal to 1 plus y by 1 minus y. 8 power 4x is 1 plus y by 1 minus y. 4x is equal to log of 1 plus y by 1 minus y base 8, because whenever a power x equal to b, we take x is equal to log b to the base a. So 4x is equal to log of 1 plus y by 1 minus a base 8. So x is equal to 1 by 4 log 1 plus y by 1 minus a base 8. But x is f inverse y. So f inverse y is 1 by 4 log of 1 plus y by 1 minus y base 8. Just you replace y by x, you get f inverse x, which is 1 by 4 log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x base 8. Therefore option is A. So I think it is a very simple question. It is asked in 8th January 2020 of IIT mains. Really it is, I think it is not a question of IIT mains standard, but the students who get this question are very lucky. Now question number 3, let f of x is equal to x into box x step x, we say it as step x by x square plus 1. This domain is 1 3 and the range is we don't know, is asking range is given codomain as real numbers. This is asked again on 8th January. There are 4 options given. So step x means its domain is real numbers, its range is integers. Suppose you take box 2.1 or step 2.1, it is 2. So you take integral value, take only the integral value. Whenever x lies between n and n plus 1, then step x is n. Step x is n. Whenever n lies between minus 3 and minus 2, when x lies between minus 3 and minus 2, step x will be minus greatest integer here. Step x is minus 2. Greatest integer less than or equal to the number. Box step 4.1 is 4, because greatest integer less than 4.1 is 4 only. So like that, whenever x lies between two consecutive integers n and n plus 1, box x will be n. Boxes will be n. N here n less than or equal to x less than n plus 1 in that case. So given that f of x is equal to x box x or x step x by x square plus 1, that's domain is 1 3 and codomain is OR. Whenever x belongs to 1 by 3, we split the interval as two intervals. X belongs to 1 to open interval and another one is semi closed or semi open interval. Whenever x belongs to 1 to 1 less than x less than 2 means box x is 1. So f of x is x into box x by x square plus 1. Whenever box x equal to 1, our f of x become x by x square plus 1. X belongs to open interval 1 to, substitute x equal to 1, it is 1 by 2. If you substitute x equal to, it is 2 by 5. But here f is a decreasing function because its derivative is negative. If you find derivative become negative in the interval 1 comma 2. So we take the starting value as 2 by 5 and ending value as 1 by 2. So fx range is open interval 2 by 5 1 by 2. Whenever x belongs to closed interval, closed and open, semi closed interval or semi open interval 2 3, box x become 2. So whenever box x become 2, y is equal to x into box x by x square plus 1, or f of x equal to x into box x by x square plus 1 becomes f of x equal to 2x by x square plus 1. Again x equal to 2, this is 4 by 5, x equal to 3, 6 by 10, 3 by 5. But decreasing function means you take reverse the values, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 here, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, 2. So our equation 1 is 2 by 5, 1 by 2. Equation 2 is 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Therefore, by equation 1 into the range of f of x is union of the open intervals 2 by 5, 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Therefore, the option B. So this is one of one good question. This is asked. We go to question number 4. He is asking about domain. The domain of the function f of x equal to sine inverse of mod x plus y by x square plus 1 is minus infinity to a closed union closed a open infinity, then a is equal to 4 options given. This is asked on 2nd September 2020. So here given function is f of x equal to sine inverse of mod x plus y by x square plus 1. But we know that sine inverse x domain is closed interval minus 1 to 1 and the range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So for simplicity, let us take capital X is mod x plus y by x square plus 1. We know the domain of sine inverse x is minus 1 1. Therefore sine inverse capital X domain is also minus 1 1. Therefore capital X lies between minus 1 and 1, but capital X is mod x plus y by x square plus 1. So mod x plus y by x square plus 1 lies between minus 1 and 1. But mod x plus y by x square plus 1 is a positive because mod x is always non-negative, and x square plus 1 is also positive. So therefore their quotient is also positive. Therefore 0 less than mod x plus y by x square plus 1 less than 1. We concentrate on the right part. 0 less than mod x plus y by x square plus 1 less than or equal to 1. So mod x plus y by x square plus 1 less than or equal to 1. Just you take x square plus 1 to right side because x square plus 1 is a positive value. We can take it right side, even inequality there. Mod x plus y less than or equal to x plus x square plus 1. So mod x less than or equal to x square minus 4. So by sending mod x to right side, we get x square minus mod x minus 4 greater or equal to 0. But mod x whole square and x square both are same because both are non-negative. So we have mod x square minus mod x minus 4 greater or equal to 0. For mod x square minus mod x minus 4 equal to 0, you apply the formula minus b plus r minus under root b square minus 4 is by 2a. You will get 1 plus r minus root 17 by 2 mod x value, but mod x is always positive. So mod x is 1 plus root 17 by 2. So x is equal plus r minus 1 plus 17 by 2. So x square minus mod x minus 4 greater or equal to 0. Solution can be taken x belongs to minus infinity to minus of 1 plus root 17 by 2 and the union 1 plus root 17 by 2 to infinity, because greater or equal to 0 here in equation there the value of x does not lie between the roots, does not lie in between roots. Therefore by comparing this x belongs to minus infinity to minus of 1 plus root 17 by 2 union 1 plus root 17 by 2 to infinity, comparing this with x belongs to minus infinity a union a infinity, we get a is equal to 1 plus root 17 by 2. This is the solution. Option is a. It is also a very good question asked in September 2020. So next question number 5. Let f is a function from R to R which is satisfying f of x plus y equal to fx plus fy for all xy belongs to R. It gave f of 1 2 and gn is some sigma function f of k, n belongs to n, k runs from 1 to n minus 1. We have to find the value of n where gn is 20. The basic idea is here we substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 1, so that f of 1 plus 1 is f1 plus f1. F of 2 is 2 into f of 1, so 2 into 2. So f of 2 is 4. Now to find f of 3, you take x2, y1, f of 2 plus 1, f of 2 plus f of 1. So f of 2 plus 1 equal to f of 2 plus f of 1, f of 3 equal to f of 2 plus f of 1. So f of 2 got a 4 and f of 1 2, 4 plus 2. So f of 3 6. F of 3 is 6. That is the basic idea in solving this fifth problem. Given that f of x plus y equal to fx plus fy for all xy belongs to R, if f of 1 equal to 2 and gn is sigma fk, k runs from 1 to n minus 1. F of 1 plus 1, as I said, f1 plus f1 implies f2 is equal to f1. f2 is equal to 2 into, but f1 is 2, 2 into 2 4, hence f2 is 4. Now you take x equal to 2, y equal to 1, f of 2 plus 1 is f2 plus f1, f2 is 4, f1 is 2, so 4 plus 2 6, f3 is 6, and go with f4. Observe that f1 is 2 twice of 1, f2 is 4 twice of 2, f3 is 6 twice of 3. Similarly f4 is 8, f5 is 10, but gn is 20, but gn is means sigma fk, sigma fk 20, where k runs from 1 to n minus 1. So f1 plus f2 plus f3 so on, fn minus 1 is 20, f1 is 2 plus 4 plus 6 so on, fn minus 1 is twice of n minus 1, 2 into n minus 1 20, take 2 common, 2 of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n minus 1 is 20, 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on n minus 1 is 10. Sum of first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2, set that is n minus 1 into n by 2 is 10, n minus 1 into n is 20, or n into n minus 1 20. You can easily say n equal to 5, because n is equal to 1 does not satisfy, 2 does not satisfy, 3 does not satisfy, 4 does not satisfy, only 5 will satisfy. So option is C. Because we have options here, without wasting our time, you can substitute the options also, or you can solve the equation n square minus n equal to 20, n square minus n minus 20 equal 0 by factorization method also you will get, but that takes some more time. You can substitute the options. So it is a very simple problem if you get the idea. Getting idea is important for this question. Now we go to sixth question, somewhat same type, but here x is equal to 1 to infinity. Let f of x plus y equal to fx into fy, and sigma fx is 2, where x runs from 1 to infinity, xy belongs to n, then the value of f of 4 by f of 2. For options given, this was asked in 6th September 2020. So given that f of x plus y equal to fx into fy, where xy belongs to n, so the basic idea is same, taking x equal to 1, y equal to f of 1 plus 1 is f1, so f2 is f1 square. Now you take x equal to y equal to 1, f of 2 plus 1, f2 into f1, f of 3 is f2 means f1 square, f1 is as it is, f3 is f1 whole cube. So f2 is f1 square, f1 whole square, f3 is f1 whole cube. Similarly f4, f1 power 4. But sigma fx is 2, where x is equal to 1 to infinity. Hence f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus f4 up to infinite terms equal to 2. So f1 plus f2 means f1 square plus f3 means f1 cube plus f4 means f1 4 plus 1 infinity is 2. This is like sum of infinite terms of a geometric progression, a plus ar square plus so on, that is a by 1 minus r. So a is f1, r is f1, so a by 1 minus r means f1 by 1 minus f1 is 2. So f1 is equal to 2 of 1 minus f1. So f1 is 2 of 1 minus f1, 2 minus 2 f1, 3 f1 is 2, f of 1 is 2 by 3, but f2 is f1 square, f4 is f1 power 4. So f4 by f2 is f1 4 by f1 square. Therefore f4 by f2 is f1 square, that is 2 by 3 whole square, that is 4 by 9. So option is D, because you see in the question, sorry, option is B. So here I wrote wrongly, so I will correct. The option is B. Okay. So just I corrected, the option is B, because here B is 4 by 9 rather than D. Now question number 7. This is somewhat a interesting question really. So uh, for a suitably chosen real constant a, for a suitably chosen real constant a, set a function f from r minus a to r. So from domain of if you observe the domain of f, minus a is eliminated, defined as f of x equal to a minus x by a plus x. Further, suppose that any real number whenever x not equal to minus a, f of x is also not equal to minus a, some condition. If circle f of x is equal to x, then f of minus 1 by 2 what? Minus 3 or 1 by 3 or minus 1 by 3 or 3. So this is somewhat interesting question. F circle fx is x, but x is ix. I is identity function. That is the important thing. F r minus of minus a to r defined by f of x equal to a minus x by a plus x. And f circle f of x is x, and for x not equal to minus a, f of x is not minus x is a condition. F circle of x equal to x, f of x is ix, where I is an identity function, because all of us know I of x is x. Hence f of x is in f inverse x. Whenever f circle g is I, g will be inverse of f. So let us find f inverse x, we get some idea. So for finding f inverse x, let fx equal to y, so x is equal to f inverse y. Fx equal to y means our fx is what? A minus x by a plus x. So a minus x by a plus x is y, a minus x equal to a y plus xy, because y of a plus x. So a minus a y is equal to xy plus x. A of 1 minus y is equal to x of y plus 1. So x is 1 minus y by 1 plus y. Of course a there here. Here a is missed here. Let me put small a, of course. So x is equal to a of 1 minus 1 by 1 plus y. F inverse y is also, so a of 1 minus 1 y by 1 plus y. Let me write here a small a. So f inverse x is again a of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So here I put a. So f inverse x is a of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, because whenever f inverse y is a of 1 minus 1 by 1 plus y, f inverse x is a of 1 minus x by 1 plus y. F inverse x is defined if x is not equal to minus 1. So f is a bijection whenever whenever our x is not equal to minus 1. So minus 1 should be removed from the domain of function. Here minus a is removed, so minus 1 should be removed. So a must be 1. So by definition of f, a must be 1. F of minus 1 by 2. So what is f of x here? A minus x by a plus x. F of minus 1 by 2, a minus of minus 1 by 2 by a plus minus 1 by 2. So a plus 1 by 2 by a minus 1 by 2. Our f of x is a plus 1 by 2 by a minus 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 you take, because we got the like that. F of minus 1 by 2 is 1 plus 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2. 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, 3. F of minus 1 by 2, 3. So option D, let us check, because sometimes we may miss. So option D. This is asked in 6 September. Somewhat thinking question. This is a good question. Now 8th question, it is a routine question. Just we solve this type of question. Suppose that a function f r to r satisfies f of x plus y equal to fx into fy. Here he changed. Previously f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y given. Now he changed the question. F of x plus y is equal to fx into fy for all x y belongs to r, and f of 1 equal to 3. If sigma fi is equal to 363 for I equal to 1 to n, for I is equal to 1 to n, then we have to find the value of n. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th September. This is somewhat easy question. Solution: given that f of x plus y equal to fx into fy for all x y belongs to r, and f of 1 equal to 3. If sigma fi equal to 363 for I equal to 1 to n, we have to find n. Again we substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 1. F of 2 is f1 square. Hence f of 2 is equal to f1 square means 3 square or 9. For x equal to 2, y equal to 1, f of 3 is, you observe, f of 3 is f of 2 plus 1, f of 2, f of 1. F of 2 is 3 square, f of 1 is 3. 3 square into 3, 3 cube, 27. So f3 is 3 cube, f2 is 3 square, f1 is 3, of course. F1 is different, but f2 is 3 square, f3 is 3 cube. Continuing like this, f of n is 3 power n. But sigma fi is 363, phi equal to 1, we get f1 plus f2 plus fn is 363. So 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube, so on 3 power n is 363. Of course here f1 is 3 means 3 power 1. Yeah, f2 means 3 square, f3 means 3 cube. So 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube plus so on 3 power n is 363. So a plus ar square plus like that we have. So a into a power, of course here some mistake done. Actually here n plus 1 terms there. So I have to take n plus 1 instead of n. So here a small mistake did, n plus 1 should be taken in power so not here n plus 1 should be taken. So this is n plus 1 for power, this is n plus 1 power for power. So 3 power n plus 1 minus 1 is 242. 3 power n plus 1 minus 1 is 242. So 3 power n plus 1 minus 1 is 242. So 3 power n plus 1 is 243. 3 power n plus 1 is 3 power 5. So n plus 1 is 5. N plus 1 is 5. So this implies n is 4. So we have to be very careful. So the option is B instead of option C. So we got option B. Small change here. Actually I thought there are n terms only. There are n terms only here, but 3 to 3 power n. Yeah, 3 to 3 power n terms only. Okay. So the previous one is only correct. Okay, no problem. So the previous one only correct, 3 power n minus 1. So 3 power n minus 1 is 242. 3 power n is 243. So n is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5 means option C only. Option C only, because I thought there are n plus 1 terms, but n terms only. 3 is first term, 3 square second term, 3 cube third term, 3 power n is nth term. So sum of n terms, a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So a means 3, r means 3, 3 into 3 power n minus 1 by r minus 1, 3 minus 1, 363. So 3 power n minus 1 by 2 is 121. 3 power n minus 3 power n minus 1 is 242. So 3 power n 243, 3 power n is 3 power 5, n equal 5. So little bit confused, no problem. There are n terms only. So this is my first lesson on functions. Previous questions on functions in 2020. Let us meet in another lesson shortly.